This machine weaves the future of advanced materials. Carbon fiber threads, spun from thousands of fine strands, are woven tightly into durable structures using a loom. The precise fiber application creates lightweight yet strong products. Industries like automotive and aerospace rely on this process for strength and efficiency. Radial weaving technology accelerates the creation of complex 3D forms. With automation, mass production of strong, eco-friendly products becomes feasible at scale. Tidal power is evolving rapidly, providing a constant and reliable energy source due to the predictable nature of tides. Unlike wind or solar, tidal energy is generated consistently. One of the most exciting developments is a turbine shaped like an airplane. This is a plane, but it's not really an airplane. But it's a plane because it can fly under the sea using ocean currents to generate electricity. The airplane-like design helps it glide through the water, much like how a plane moves through the air. With these constant innovations, tidal power could soon join wind and solar as a key player in renewable energy. Why doesn't the cast cutter slice through your arm? A grinder cutter is a powerful tool that can easily slice through metal, but the cast cutter is something entirely different. Amazingly, it cuts through the hard material of a cast without harming your skin. How? Unlike traditional blades that spin, the cast cutter vibrates back and forth in tiny movements. Your skin, much like rubber, has elasticity, so instead of cutting, the blade just moves with it. This clever design makes the whole process completely safe, even though it looks dangerous. But honestly, knowing it's safe, I still wouldn't want to experience it. What's NASA hiding? The black surface that's raising questions. Did you know the black surface on spacecraft hides a top-secret material? It's called pica, a heat-resistant substance that allows spacecraft to survive re-entry at 3,000 kilometers per hour. It's so vital that the US keeps its exact composition classified. The same tech is used in ballistic missiles like ICBMs. This advanced heat shield absorbs intense heat, protecting spacecraft during re-entry. SpaceX and NASA even developed an upgraded version for the Crew Dragon capsule, pushing the boundaries of space exploration. At first glance, this ring might seem spotless, but place it in an ultrasonic cleaner, and you'll see a cloud of grime start to rise. This impressive effect is due to ultrasonic waves. Inside the cleaner, a transducer generates ultrasonic frequencies that create tiny bubbles in a process called cavitation. When the liquid vibrates at this high frequency, bubbles form and collapse at the surface of the object. The force of these collapsing bubbles produces micro shock waves, which lift away dirt and dust particles lodged in hard-to-reach spots. It's a highly effective method, gently restoring jewelry and other delicate items to a brilliant shine. How do you create water in the desert? Using only fog. What if you could pull water out of thin air? In one of the driest places on Earth, in Morocco, a region near the Sahara Desert that surprisingly has a lot of fog, cutting-edge fog nets are doing just that. These nets capture moisture from the fog rolling in from the Atlantic Ocean, turning it into thousands of liters of fresh drinking water each day. This life-changing technology is now supporting entire villages, providing a reliable source of clean water in one of the toughest environments. And here's the amazing part. This invention was inspired by a desert beetle, which collects water on its back to survive. From the brilliance of nature to a high-tech solution, this innovation could be the future of water in dry regions around the world. SpaceX catches a 71-meter rocket with chopsticks. SpaceX's Super Heavy booster launches, separating from the Starship about 3 minutes in. But here's where things get wild. The 71-meter booster descends at high speed, reigniting its engines near the launch tower. Instead of landing on a pad, it's caught mid-air by massive robotic chopstick arms, completing the maneuver just 7 minutes after liftoff. These arms, part of the Mechazilla Tower, speed up inspections and prepare the booster for reuse, cutting refurbishment time dramatically. Meanwhile, Starship also completed its 75-minute flight as planned, proving the potential for rapid reuse. Musk described it as a major leap toward making humanity multiplanetary. With Starship carrying up to 150 tons, missions to the Moon and Mars are no longer distant dreams. They're becoming reality.